You know, woo! 30 years of woo! I take a Spanish course, 4 credits I don't need. One is a laboratory. I got to go to the lab room. I've got to put the tape on. I've got to watch the Kabbalah. Is that not a horse? It's 30 years ago. I got to do the lab work. I don't want to pay rente qua rente when I'm forte. I'm walking around memorizing qua rente forte. Express buses leaving Washington, D.C. It's an express bus. It's making a stop. He's letting the whole bus off. Where is like the Greyhound police? This is ridiculous now. Do you understand just how ridiculous? I have made... Look, let's cut to the chase on all this bullshit. Your little over-the-counter, whatever it is, I switched from traditional Medicare like I wanted to be on it before I'm 65. Is that what you literally believe in the United States of America? You want to put a packing slip in? Do I need this shit that says your company's name? You want to put a packing slip in the box? I switched from traditional Medicare because your ethno-violence study destroyed my gums. I can't keep increasing my credit limit for your... Listen, you know, a little shaky, laissez. What do you want? I mean it. How do you... The level of irresponsibility towards the United States of America, because why? This, oh, they changed the bottle. Don't make me find the... It was made in India, and it was damn good when needed. Now, I don't need it now, but I like to have it if I need it. Because when I need it, I am gonna need it. I am doing everything possible to accommodate this young person. It used to say India. I can't see now, and I'm taking the phone with the camera to make... I am trying to accommodate this young person. No, oh, don't. I treated no one with disrespect in a supermarket. No one. I've gotten nothing in return. Nothing. They don't want to speak English. Do not talk into their phone. You don't want... You. One more time. When did the United States of America, when did English no longer be required? In a foreign country where I come from, my uncle, English is required. French is an option. Did they get rid of that? I don't need this that says that. A packing slip? Why? Because I don't think I ordered 2 of that one. And I don't feel like going to the computer. I will give up the over-the-counter. When I was given my HMO, I do not go shopping an HMO. What can I get? Is there Botox? I don't. Now, I am so happy that you people are employed. What store did you buy it from? How many times do I have to repeat myself to anything? If I worked like you people work, I wouldn't have lasted 2 days. Reagan, chop, 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 chop. Reagan, chop, chop, chop. You make it through the 3 months where they decide if they like you. And if you lose your job, 6 months. I have copy secrets. As far as I'm concerned, you've had 30 years in charge. Team Bunny. You were supposed to walk into the role of the black woman. If you didn't want to do that, then you shouldn't have taken a job. Nobody did that, and that's why this is happening. I don't mind spending $120 of my money. I need my vitamins. A packing slip. I understand this untraditional Medicare. Why don't you say it is making everybody a lot of what? That's a new form of guaranteed capitalism. You want to start talking like the reality of the United States of America? And they're still stealing. What the fuck? Is this that game show? How much can you put in your carriage in 2 minutes? What have you all done to this country? I don't find it funny. You want to know why? Because I can't leave on a jet plane for fresh mangoes. Medicare transportation, the taxi company was once required for transportation of medical people, kidney, etc., dialysis, before this bullshit. CPR, getting from the wheelchair. The United States government requires nothing of these incompetent, and survey the situation first. 5 car lanes, no cars, 3 lanes. And he's turning his head around. I said, stop going into the emergency lane and merging back in. That's not what it's there for. And you're going to miss the doctor's office. I don't speak English. Oh my God. Now he's delayed. I am not a young person to pull out my phone. Is that what that's about? You want to turn towards the traffic now? I swear to God. And then they tell me I have to wait till October till arrivederci. You could lose a lot, Sophie. Trust me. Glasses? I can't see. The one company? Nope. Another company? Nope. The other company? I said, okay, I'm going to turn around. I'm going to look up. I'm going to bet. And I'm going to spin. Okay, I can see. No, I can't see. What's the point? Really now, what is the point? This is on all of you. Don't, please. The disgrace. Where are my black people? I go to Washington, D.C., the Indian driver, voucher, voucher. You don't want American money? Did anybody ever go to D.C. in the 80s and have some nice black man say, especially, I have no change for you? Because it's so early. I haven't made money yet. And then, here's $6 in quarters. It is mine. I'll take it. And then nobody's picking me up. It's 3 miles. I don't care. Packing slip. And I don't know what it's called, you understand? This non-traditional Medicare. In New York, they used to say, no gypsy cabs. What is Uber but a gypsy cab? You can do whatever you want to do, you understand? I see no reason for you people to be employed on Saturdays. Just why? Why are you there? I see no reason. If you think, do you think? I don't know. I'm not going to run to my computer and do what? Look at what? To tell you what? Your world, trust me. But the black people of the District of Columbia, God bless them all, I swear to God. And really, I have never in my lifetime, I'm going to the Phillips to see Clee or to see whatever it was. And I don't understand because the Indian embassy is right on the other side. You know, Gandhi, voucher. What is up with these vouchers? And that program, I don't know how they do it. It is not equal over the counter. And listen, you do not go changing your doctors because somebody else is giving a better over the counter. But I'm changing my doctors because they're all whack now. Literally. I don't want Tela. What is Tela going to do for my throat? Is the dress gold or blue? Really? I explain, that's up to the doctor to complain against the medical transportation, not me. And I've had my say, and I do mean that. But God bless those Washington black people from 84, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2000, and then I don't know what happened after that, really. I don't know. I swear to God. I mean, when you wake up and it's not even 8 o'clock and you see like this disco ball ass in your face, oh, come on. You know, if you are subsidized housing, then, all right, where are you going to go? Nowhere. I don't need to know the life of Shakira. Shakira deserved it. A little less ass in the morning. You did that fucking shit willingly. This is, well, it's all yours now. And that's, listen, as far, did America Rodriguez save Mumia?